Super. Here she is at the service area.
Nice
Serves it well, comes up with an ace. Of how is that supposed to happen for them, and they got the point.
Good coverage.
That's right. Easy over. Chance here. Adamson. Shiny Tura.
Was quite low, so the speed of that ball, you can just imagine. Ayan, no? Isn't that high? But sakto para kay Nitura.
Tomasig right now. Good service. Atake ng Arellano, netting them. And
This hit was really strong, but it was well controlled by the Lady Chiefs. Kaya nabigyan si Tudlasan nasa
Dow, safe serve. Here comes Arellano trying to go for a quick one, but there was the block. Single back row, make coverage. Tudao was right there. And who else?
high. They're low. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, it's a faster play. Yun, medyo na-late lang ng konti yung block.
Diba, when you are up to a challenge, especially trying to deal itong team na undefeated, bilis makabawi ng Adamson.
Oo, ang ganda kasi nung first ball, kaya napa-under nila si Del Moral. Which means, tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis si Sagaysay magbigay ng mga bola. Ganda rin ng defense ng Lady Chiefs. Oh, nicely done. Cross court did not work.
But she's got the sights for it for one thing.
Oh, lahat kasi umatras for a drop shot there.
Diba? Nasa likuran.
When, compared to the game against FEU. Wow!
Francis put herself in the groove.
Yeah. Sabi nga niya, hindi kanina, miscommunication.
Laika once again, although return to...
Look at how they blocked Tudlasan. They know that she's more often than not a cross court. So they stopped yung...
Of the first set. Sagaysay. Oh.
Nice! Parang
Laika serves it well. Sagaysay. There.
wow! Ang ganda!
Done. And it... Good service once again. Oh, nicely done.
Tira-tira. Pagka maganda yung first ball mo, look at that. Dumasig didn't have to run after that ball. Tinaas lang.
In time. Abisegi again. Turuto like Tudlasan. Shiny Tura.
Ganun kataas eh.
That's right.
Parang they're just playing. They're not really... It's not really their speed, their momentum. It's not really their tempo.
Right there for Francis Mordy. Look at this.
Yeah, she went over the blockers. Natama niya yung ulo. Humabol.
And the possibility is there.
Oh!
It's a job that she has to do. And no wonder. I'm not surprised at all by calling. There's still so many possibilities. Of course, nandito pa lamang tayo.
Date place.
Magalit naman yung mga magulang. Nag-date ka na ba? Anyways. But a very high IQ in this sport. We're talking about Shiny Tura.
Yeah.
Well, Padillon gave it a try, but right now we're all tied up here. Problema na naman first ball. And chance again for the Lady Falcons. Barney! And Arellano will call a timeout here, but they have managed to really come alive once again. You knew it already.
Kaya hindi naging successful yung pass play. So, she knew that they were gonna score na.
Tura gets it over. Who's going to do the attack here for Arellano? Good take from back row for Arellano. There they go!
Nice hit. There goes that setup. Blockers were there, but not a...
Home stretch of the second set. And Francis Morty will deliver.
You really get to develop your character sa hardships.
Whoa! Arellano keeping it in play. Segi naman. Cross court. Yun. Can't afford any more mistakes again para sa Arellano. Yun na lang. So nothing in the second set. Maurice to the ace. Si Mordy.
Oh, nga.
Pero she knows her
Back-to-back
thing.
sila.
This is what I'm talking about. Up
Yeah, you gotta have good net defense for any attacker from Adamson.
that time. It gives them. I was supposed to. It gives.
Ganda nung setup ni Sagaysay. Perfect for that combination. Kita mo, isa na lang yung...
So far, things are really going well here.
nangyayari in midair eh. Wow! Solid block.
Took the second. Sagaysay. Ventura gets blocked. Arellano.
Tire, kung saan pupunta yung bola, sino ang papalo. Kaya kita mo, hindi na siya naloko
Yeah.
nung decoy.
Kim Rocha. They're down by 2 ang Adamson. Tudlasan, babawi ba with that mistake earlier? It caught the line. Wow.
Aggressive. Good save.
Yep. Here's Sagaysay. Alam mo na kung sino pupunta.
Bola with a back set, but then, ayun o, naghiwalay yung blockers.
Servidad. Sagaysay.
Ooh!
There's a block. Arellano. This time, they just have to pour every... Balik tayo kay Laika. Nakabang sa likuran. Shiny Tura. That cross court. Yeah, good effort right here. Easy over. Sagaysay. Loving it.
And so, look at this combination play. Neatly done.
It's always
There on time. Wow!
ito sa Arellano. Adamson.
Or yung role mo is to split the blockers para makapasok yung tira nyo.
Sagaysay. Well, once again, good serve. Trying to be quick about it. Good reaction. Sam Tirati. Sagaysay. And they were ready for Nitura. Tira to stop Nitura.
Pa-block, you can move your arm. Hindi naman kailangan straight up lang eh. Oh, but this one, talagang pasok yung atake ng Adamson. Oh, there you go. Up and over.
It has been.
Yan, oh.
Tira, siya pa rin. They see over right now. Chance for the Lady Falcons. And here she comes.
Kita mo ni play that she wants.
Wow! Yun lang.
Oh,